Cataract or clouding of the lens can lead to vision blurring and eventually blindness. Fortunately, it can be surgically removed and replaced by an intraocular lens implant.
At Singapore National Eye Centre, you may go home the same day after your surgery.
You may be given eye drops to instill 1 to 2 days before your surgery. You may be required to fast as instructed by the nurses. On the day of your operation, you should arrive 1.5 hours before the surgery time. A nurse will ask you questions to assess your general health condition. A risk tag will be applied for identification purposes. She will check your blood pressure and your temperature will also be checked. Eye drops will be instilled, while your accompanying person proceeds to help with registration at the cashier or registration counter. Before entering the operating theatre, you will be required to change into operating theatre attire. You will be in the operating theatre for about an hour. After your surgery, you will return to the day ward to rest. Patients who undergo surgery with local anesthetic are required to rest for 1 hour, while those under general anesthetic must rest for 3 to 5 hours. Your operated eye may be covered by a clear shield after surgery. During rest, light refreshments will be served. Your blood pressure will be checked, and a pharmacist will present you with medications to take at home. Educational pamphlets on how to care for your operated eye will also be provided. At home, it is important you continue to instill the eye drops as prescribed. Our nurse will show you how to instill the eye drops. To prevent infection, wash your hands before and after touching your eyes as shown in these guidelines. Remember to clean your eye every morning. Guidelines on steps in cleaning eye will be given to you. Sunglasses is not required after surgery. However, you may use sunglasses if you find the sunlight is too glaring. There are no diet restrictions. However, if you were observing a special diet before your surgery, such as diabetic diet, it is important you continue with your diet. If you experience slight pain, take painkillers as prescribed by the doctor. Be careful when moving around the first few days after your surgery. Refer to our pamphlets on safety and falls prevention. Should you require any help after office hours, call the contact numbers provided on the back of the pamphlet. In case of an emergency, proceed directly to the Singapore General Hospital Accident and Emergency Department at Block 1. After your surgery, you should be accompanied by someone when you are going home.
Remember to come back for your follow-up appointment the next day. Please bring along your appointment card for all your visits and continue to keep all your future appointments even if you can see well. Thank you for choosing Singapore National Eye Centre.